We all know that mornings can be a rush. The alarm goes off, and suddenly, it's a race against time. Whether you're getting ready for work, preparing the kids for school, or juggling a myriad of tasks, mornings can feel like a whirlwind. Juggling work, school, or family life leaves little time for ourselves. It's easy to feel overwhelmed and forget to take a moment to breathe. But what if you could carve out just 5 minutes for yourself? But what if I told you that you could achieve a radiant glow in just 5 minutes? Yes, you heard that right. A quick and effective makeup routine can transform your look and your mood. That's right. A quick and easy makeup routine can make you feel confident and ready to take on the day. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing a fresh, vibrant face staring back at you. No need for complicated techniques or a million products, just a few essentials to enhance your natural beauty. Think of it as a mini self-care ritual that sets a positive tone for the rest of your day. Imagine starting your day feeling fresh and confident. That feeling can carry you through meetings, errands, and everything in between. It's amazing what a little bit of makeup can do for your self-esteem. With a simple makeup routine, you can achieve that effortless glow in minutes. We'll show you how to use just a few products to highlight your best features and give you that natural, radiant look. We'll guide you through each step, providing tips and product recommendations to make your mornings a breeze. From foundation to finishing touches, we've got you covered. Get ready to embrace a more confident and radiant you. This routine is designed to be quick, easy, and effective, so you can spend less time in front of the mirror and more time conquering your day. Ready to reclaim your mornings and feel amazing? Let's dive into our 5-minute makeup routine for a radiant glow. You'll be surprised at how much of a difference it can make. Let's dive into our 5-minute makeup routine for a radiant glow. Trust me, your skin and your schedule will thank you. It's all about making the most of those precious minutes. Trust me, your skin and your schedule will thank you. You'll feel more put together and ready to face whatever the day throws at you. Remember, true beauty comes from within, and a touch of makeup can simply enhance what's already there. So let's get started and make every morning a little brighter. Before diving into makeup, it's essential to prep your skin. Think of it as creating a smooth canvas for your masterpiece. Start by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any impurities. Next, apply a lightweight moisturizer to hydrate your skin and create a perfect base for makeup. Moisturizer helps your makeup glide on smoothly and prevents it from clinging to dry patches. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type. If you have oily skin, opt for an oil-free formula. For dry skin, a richer cream will provide extra hydration. Remember, well-hydrated skin is key to achieving that radiant glow. Once your moisturizer is absorbed, you're ready for the next step in our 5-minute routine. Let's move on to brightening up those peepers. Even on our busiest mornings, we all want to look bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. Concealer is our secret weapon for faking those 8 hours of sleep. Apply a small amount of concealer under your eyes, focusing on any dark circles or discoloration. Gently blend it outwards using your ring finger or a small brush. Choose a concealer that matches your skin tone and has light-reflecting properties. This will instantly brighten up your under-eye area and make you look more awake. Remember, a little goes a long way, so start with a small amount and build up if needed. With those pesky dark circles concealed, your eyes will look brighter and more alert. Now, let's add a touch of color to your cheeks for a healthy flush. Section 4. Add a touch of color. Blush for a healthy flush. Blush is an essential part of any makeup routine, adding a pop of color that can transform your look. Blush is like a magic wand that instantly brings life back into your face. It can make you look more awake and vibrant, even on the dullest of days. It adds a healthy flush of color and creates the illusion of a natural, youthful glow. The right blush can enhance your features and give you a radiant complexion. Smile and apply a small amount of blush to the apples of your cheeks, blending it upwards towards your temples. This technique lifts your face and gives you a fresh, lifted look. Choose a blush shade that complements your skin tone. The right shade can make all the difference in achieving a natural look. For fair skin, try soft pinks or peaches. These shades add a subtle hint of color without overpowering your natural complexion. Medium skin tones can wear corals or rose golds beautifully. These shades bring warmth and vibrancy to your skin. And for darker skin tones, rich berries or bronzes look stunning. These deeper shades enhance your natural beauty and add a gorgeous glow. Remember, the key is to apply blush with a light hand and blend well for a natural-looking flush. Overdoing it can make the blush look harsh, so start with a small amount and build up if needed. Now let's move on to defining your eyes and making them pop. A well-defined eye can complement your blush and complete your overall look. Section 5. Define your eyes. Mascara for instant glamour. Mascara is a game changer when it comes to quick makeup routines. It's one of those essential products that can transform your look in just a few seconds. It instantly opens up your eyes, making them appear bigger, brighter, and more defined. The right mascara can make a world of difference, giving you that wide-awake, refreshed look. Apply a coat or two of mascara to your upper and lower lashes, wiggling the wand from root to tip to create length and volume. This technique ensures that every lash is coated evenly, adding both length and fullness. Choose a mascara formula that suits your needs. There are so many options available, from waterproof to volumizing, so pick one that matches your desired look and lifestyle. If you're going for a natural look, opt for a lengthening mascara. This type of mascara will enhance your lashes without making them look too heavy or clumpy. For more drama, choose a volumizing or curling mascara. These formulas are designed to add extra volume and curl, giving your lashes a bold, dramatic effect. Black mascara is universally flattering, but don't be afraid to experiment with brown or even colored mascara for a fun twist. Colored mascaras can add a pop of color and make your eyes stand out even more. With just a few swipes of mascara, your eyes will look instantly more awake and glamorous. It's a simple step that can make a big impact on your overall appearance. Finally, let's add a touch of hydration and shine to your lips. A good lip balm or gloss will keep your lips looking fresh and moisturized, completing your look perfectly. Section 6. Perfect your pout lip balm for hydration and shine. No one wants dry, chapped lips. A hydrating lip balm is essential for keeping your lips soft, smooth, and kissable. Apply a generous layer of lip balm to your lips, making sure to evenly coat them. Choose a lip balm with SPF for daytime use to protect your lips from harmful UV rays. You can also opt for a tinted lip balm to add a subtle hint of color. From classic petroleum jelly to fancy lip oils, there's a lip balm out there for everyone. With hydrated and luscious lips, your quick makeup routine is complete. Now let's move on to the final and most important step, embracing your natural beauty. Section 7. Shine bright. Embrace your natural beauty. Congratulations! You've successfully completed our 5-minute makeup routine for a radiant glow. Remember, makeup is simply a tool to enhance your natural beauty, not to conceal it. Embrace your unique features and let your inner confidence shine through. Don't be afraid to experiment with different products and techniques to find what works best for you. And most importantly, have fun with it. Makeup should be enjoyable, not a chore. Now that you're equipped with this quick and easy makeup routine, you're ready to conquer your day with confidence and radiance. So go out there and shine bright, beautiful. What's your favorite quick makeup tip? Share it in the comments below.